Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send HD photos in WhatsApp. Now, if you notice that your photos look blurry or compressed when you send them, that's because WhatsApp automatically reduces the quality to save data. But the good news is there's now a built-in way to send photos in HD. First, go ahead and open your WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send your photo. Then from here, you want to tap the attachment icon below, right there, and choose gallery. From here, you want to select the photo you want to send. But before you hit send, there, take a look at the top of the small gallery screen. You should see an HD button right over here. So what you need to do is just simply tap that and it'll switch the photo to high definition quality. Once you send it, the image will be much clearer compared to the standard version. Just keep in mind that HD photos will use more data and might take a bit longer to send, especially if your internet is slow. So yeah, just simply tap the HD button before sending, and that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.